Alright, this is just like a little fun stuff with numbers because that's what I like. So we're trying to calculate the distance from my backyard to the tree site to see how long I had to pull the log dolly or the cart by hand through the mud. So we had said it was 6 minutes. We measured that with our cell phone. And if we multiply 1 mile for 15 minutes, which is what I remember from my youthful days in Boy Scouts, it would be 6 minutes, cancel minutes, left with miles, so 6 divided by 15, it would be 0.4 miles. Okay, so let's also convert that to feet because we'll need that later on. So 0.4 miles multiplied by 5,280, I think that's the right number, feet per mile would give us 0.4 multiplied by 5,280, 2,112 feet. And because we have the technology, we Googled feet per mile, 5,280 feet per mile, so that is a good number to use. All right, and then we decided we'd count paces just because we were back there anyways. So 225 paces, if I remember accurately, times 5 foot per pace, which I remember from Boy Scout days. And that would equal 225 multiplied by 5 would be 1,125 feet. So one method says 2,000 feet, one method says 1,000 feet. Let's just convert that to miles. So 1,125 feet multiplied by 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Feet cancel feet, we're left with miles. We'll put that over here. We have 1,125 divided by 5,280 is 0.21 miles, so about a quarter mile is what I initially had thought, just from my recollection of the track around the football field. All right, let's go for the tire breaker. Erie County GIS website. There we go. And I'm just gonna zoom in somewhere and show you how to do this. So you do measure, you do line, you put a line, another line, double click, double click. So the distance of these lines is 2,203 feet. So this is not where we are at. I just wanted to show you how to do that. So from the GIS website, when I went on there, it was like 927 feet, which agrees with the paces. 225 paces at 5 feet per pace, but it is half of what 15 minutes per mile would be. It's more like 30 minutes per hour. So let's go see what happened with this calculation. Let's say we had 6 minutes and it's actually 0.2 miles. I'll put that over here just not to confuse. So 6 minutes divided by 0.2 is 30 minutes per mile. For 1 mile, you can walk a mile in 30 minutes. It'll take you 30 minutes to walk a mile, which is double what I remember from Boy Scout days, which was 15 minutes for a mile on level smooth surface, and it was like a half an hour, 30 minutes per mile if you're walking through brush. Alright, let's go. How do we get out of here? Let's go to Google here. How long does it take to walk a mile? Well, back in the younger days, maybe I was accurate, 15 minutes per mile on a good hiking day, but since I'm over 50, we are talking like closer to 30 minutes. But I wouldn't have thought that. I mean, I'm not walking that slow, although it is muddy, and I'm being a little bit more careful. So, final answer is, it looks like, you know, it looks like it's about a quarter mile, a little over 1,000 feet. That section of trail I have to walk with the Carter log dolly. Interesting. Anyways, little foray into the macabre.